September 11th, 2001, a day that changed America forever. A day of tragedy, resilience, and humanity. But what if we told you that amidst the chaos, some of the heroes were Muslim? The events of 9/11 shook the world, sparking a wave of fear, unity, and unfortunately, misconceptions. For years, Muslims in America bore the weight of suspicion, but behind the headlines was a different story, one of bravery and sacrifice. A 23-year-old Muslim American, Mohammed Salman Hamdani, rushed to ground zero to save lives. He died in the line of duty, his heroism overshadowed by initial suspicion. But today he is remembered as a true hero. Dr. Farooq Khan, a Muslim physician, worked around the clock treating victims and consoling families. His commitment to humanity went beyond religion, it was about saving lives. From mosque communities donating supplies to volunteers helping victims find shelter, countless Muslims stood up for their fellow Americans that day. Those stories were rarely told. Instead, stereotypes grew louder, but these acts of heroism remind us of the truth. Islam stands for peace, and Muslims were part of the resilience that defined September 11th. I didn't see religion, I saw compassion and courage. Today we have the power to change the narrative. Share this video to honor the untold stories of Muslim heroes. Let the world know that faith is not a barrier to heroism, it's a source of it. Together we can build understanding, together we can fight hate. Subscribe for more inspiring stories that unite us.